If you're wondering how to connect Vendasta with Stripe for payments, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Stick with me until the end, and I'll also show you how you can try Vendasta completely free, with some exclusive bonuses you won't find elsewhere. Vendasta is a powerful platform designed to help businesses streamline their operations, and if you're looking to integrate payments into it via Stripe, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's quickly understand why you'd want to connect Vendasta with Stripe. Vendasta provides a suite of tools for agencies and businesses, and Stripe makes payment processing seamless, secure, and reliable. Whether you're selling subscriptions or processing client payments, linking Vendasta to Stripe helps automate and smoothen the entire process. Next, let's move on to the steps to actually connect the two. Start by logging into your Vendasta account. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the Payments or Billing tab, where you should find options for connecting payment processors. Click on that. The next thing you'll need to do is choose Stripe as your payment processor. If you haven't connected Stripe before, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create an account on Stripe's website. Once you've logged into Stripe or created your account, Vendasta will ask for permission to link your accounts. Confirm a connection, and you'll be asked to configure your payment settings. This includes things like setting up your preferred currency, payment methods, and whether you want to enable automatic invoicing. The fourth thing you'll want to do is review your settings. Double-check that everything looks good, particularly your Stripe account details. Make sure your payments are going to the right bank account and that all your information is correct. Once you're happy with everything, hit Save. Once that's done, you're ready to start processing payments through Vendasta via Stripe. You can now easily accept payments, handle subscriptions, and manage invoicing all directly through the platform. Finally, if you're using Vendasta and looking for more ways to make your business operations smoother, there are plenty of other integrations and features you can explore. Vendasta makes it easy to scale your business, and with Stripe connected, your payment processes will be handled without a hitch. If you're interested in trying out Vendasta, I've got good news for you. You can actually get access to the software for free from the first link below. Plus, we've secured an exclusive, extended free trial for you, so don't miss out. That's it for today's video. Now you know exactly how to connect Vendasta with Stripe for payments. If you want more tips and tricks, don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.